Welcome to the deep dive. Today we're cutting into a very specific piece of AV gear. It's the A-Neuvideo ANI-HDAINSERT4k3 HDMI audio inserter.
Right.
And for you, we're aiming to figure out, what exactly this specialized box does, and maybe why its rather unique feature set points to some very particular needs.
Yeah, it's pretty interesting because it really solves one specific problem, doesn't it? Basically, it lets you take an external audio signal, a controlled one, and insert it right into an HDMI video stream. Perfectly synced.
And something jumped out right away from the sources, that TAA compliance thing.
Mm-hmm.
Now, for listeners maybe not buying this kind of kit every day, what's TAA mean? Why is it important here?
Okay, so TAA is the Trade Agreements Act. It basically guarantees the product is made or, substantially changed in the U.S. or a friendly designated country. It's really a flag for gear meant for secure places. Think government, military, maybe secure corporate setups.
Ah, okay. So that probably explains the price, too. It's listed around $195, down from almost $300.
Exactly. That compliance often comes with a premium. It tells you who the intended user is.
Right, a high-security client. So knowing who it's for, let's look at what they're doing with it. The audio control. How flexible is it for getting that external audio in?
Oh, it's very flexible. You've got three main ways. There's an optical digital input that's key for SPDIF. Then there's a standard 3.5mm mini jack for analog stereo.
Okay.
And of course, it takes the original HDMI audio too. You get to choose which one gets embedded into the final HDMI output.
And the quality here, the fidelity, seems critical. It's not just adding any sound. I saw it handles HBR audio. What's HBR, and why would, say, a secure facility need that kind of lossless sound?
HBR, yeah, that stands for high bitrate audio. That's the gateway to the really top-tier surround sound formats. We're talking Dolby, True HD, DTS-Sheet Master Audio, the big ones.
Lossless, you mean?
Exactly, lossless, zero compromise on quality. It's embedding the perfect bit-for-bit audio, and it supports high sampling rates, too, up to 192 kilohertz. That's studio level. It suggests whatever audio they're inserting, maybe sensitive communications, maybe critical alerts. It has to be absolutely clear. Pristine.
Hey, switching gears from the audio perfection to the picture, what about the video side? You're messing with the signal path to inject audio? How does it keep the video looking good? High res.
Well, it needs some serious processing power for that. It supports 4K resolution, specifically 4K by 2K at 24 or 30 hertz.
So like movie frame rates and older 4K standards.
Right. It means you don't have to, dumb down your video quality just to get that special audio track in there. It passes it through.
And that speed, that processing, that's tied to the bandwidth figure, right?
Yeah.
10.2 gigabits per second.
Precisely. That high bandwidth plus being compliant with HDCP 1.2, DVI 1.0, that's what lets it also act as a kind of signal booster or extender.
Extender. How so?
Well, it helps maintain the signal over longer cable runs. You can go up to, I think, 15 meters for 1080p, or maybe 10 meters even at 4K.
Okay, so useful in larger rooms or complex setups.
Definitely. It's all about keeping that signal strong and clear, especially if it's, mission critical.
So wrapping this up for you, what does this all boil down to? This A-Neuvideo inserter, it's really a specialized bridge. It lets you merge secure video streams, maybe older DVI or HDMI, with really high-quality controlled audio, even those advanced lossless types.
And it does it while meeting those strict government purchase requirements and maintaining signal integrity.
That reliability focus seems baked in, too, with the 3-year warranty mentioned, and that long partnership the seller has with A-Neuvideo since 2002.
Yeah, it sounds like it's built for constant operation, like 24/7 reliability.
Which brings us to our final, maybe provocative thought for you today. Think about it. This device is built to meet strict government security standards, the TAA compliant. But it also supports the absolute peak of, consumer home theater audio DTS HD master audio. So the question is, what kind of specialized high-security environment needs that specific combination? Forensic-level audio fidelity injected into a secure video feed, something to think about.